Hello all, this is your professor Ian Jones. Welcome to English 68, Introduction to Mythology. Um, there are other welcome videos to watch. This is a walkthrough of the Canvas site, the site we'll be using for this course. I'm just going to show you all the important parts, what you should be looking for, how the work is laid out, all that basic kind of stuff. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to email me or come to my office hour, my online office hours, and we can walk through it with as much detail as you need. So let's start with the front page. This is the front page of the site. There's some just basic information about the course. There's a link to the syllabus, a bit about me. Let's see, expectations you can have for me, what I do in the course. A link to the help form, which I'll show you. Textbook as a no-cost course. There's no textbook to buy. Then the module, link to the modules tab, and then expect success. So do expect success. You're all capable of doing this work. There's some tough reading ahead, I won't lie, but nothing you can't handle, and it's a lot of fun reading too. So it's kind of a little bit of both. So let's take a look at, here's your navigation panel. Of course, on the far left is your global navigation panel. You can go to different courses. You can set up appointments with counselors or with me. I'm in there too. Go Student Support Hub, right? So that's on the far left. Here's for our course. So there is the announcements. There's no announcements yet, so you can't go here. But I make announcements every week, so if you want to go back and look at them, you can go there. Assignments, you can see a list of assignments. And let me just put it in student view so it looks a little more like what you'll see. You don't have all those things down there, right? This is more what you'll see if you're logging in, especially on a laptop. It will look different on a mobile device, but you'll get all the same features. Okay, so here's what's coming up, deadlines for assignments. You can come here to assignments and it'll take you to the upcoming assignments, a list of things that are coming up. Discussion, specifically to the discussions that we'll be doing. We won't be using the discussion feature very much, but there is instructions for the discussions we'll be doing. We'll be using a different program for discussions. We won't be using the Chafee or the Canvas discussion program. So there is a lot of discussions, pretty like several weekly. So we will be doing that, but we won't be using this. But there's a help forum. We will be doing introductions this first week. So there is stuff here. You can look at your grades, but really the most important place for us on this site is the modules page or tab, right? This is the one I use the most to organize a course. And so if you just scroll through here, you can see it's broken into Unit 4, Unit 3, Unit 2, Unit 1, then Unit 0. This is just course orientation material, but these are the units, 4 units, each comprised of 2 weeks. It's an 8-week course. So we'll spend 2 weeks talking about the background and beginnings of Greek mythology. And then Unit 2, we're getting into the gods and goddesses, the Olympian gods and goddesses. We're not going to be delving deep into all of Poseidon's children or something like that. You're more than welcome to chase down all the rabbit holes you want, but we have limited time, so we're focusing on the Olympian pantheon. We'll be looking at the big heroes and talking about heroines. That's the second unit. This is the third and fourth week. Then we're moving on to two of the big, two of the major texts, the Homeric texts, the Iliad and the Odyssey. Right, we'll be spending 2 weeks working with those. Or selections from them. There's no way we could get through both of those texts in 2 weeks. So we'll just be reading selections from both of those and talking about that. And then the last unit is Athenian drama. So we'll be reading Oedipus Rex. You might have read this previously, but we'll be looking at that as an example of later Greek myth and myth making and thinking about myth during the Athenian period, and then spend a week. Last week is really devoted to the final paper and getting that together. Okay, so that's the basic layout of the course. Let's look at how each unit is broken down. Unit 0 is a bit different because it's just orienting you to the material of the course. So what you should do first with every unit is look at the unit overview. So this will just have a description of what we're doing in the week of this unit. Usually there's a video. There's not for unit 0, but usually there's a video. So start there, right? Click on that. It'll take you to that page with the video and the description, and then there'll be a series of links here that you'll work through. So here's a link to the syllabus. Here's that help form I showed you before. Here's the instructions for the discussion forums that the weekly discussions we're having. So this is material to go through. There'll be a couple more things posted here, including this video that I'm recording right now. I'm still loading things onto the course as we speak. So this is a work in progress, but this is pretty much what it'll look like. So let's look at unit 1. So again, you'd start here, look at, read my description of what we're doing in this unit, so watch the video. This is for week 1 of unit 1 of the course. So, and then I put things in order as you should work through them. So you should work through the tasks as they're listed in this module. So for week 1, you should read this. You should introduce yourself in the discussion forum. You should go to this discuss syllabus assignment or exercise. And this will be using that program Perusal, which I mentioned. And there's a separate how-to video for using Perusal. And then I have to load the readings here, but there will be a reading and a video lecture to work through here. And then after you do the readings, there's a reflection to write. There's a weekly reflection, and the reflection is just thinking back on the readings that we do for the week, and a Flipgrid discussion as well. And if you haven't used Flipgrid before, you're in luck. It's a fun program. If you've used it before, you're familiar with it. It's just a video presentation platform, so we can get to know each other and share ideas face to face, as it were. So that's what you do each week, right? So week 2, click here, watch the video, read through my description of what we're doing this week. Then there will be readings. Okay, so usually I'll have a video lecture where I'm just going into the important ideas. Sometimes I'll have a short article to read about the text. Week 2, we're working through Hesiod, who wrote the most influential origin myth of Greek mythology, or the one that survived the most anyways. So we'll be reading parts of the Theogony and his works and days. So you'll read through these texts and discuss them using Perusal. And then there will be a reflection and another Flipgrid, which I haven't loaded up, but there will be another Flipgrid assignment somewhere in here. Okay, so that's basically what the course looks like. And you can see modules is the most important page. Everything you need is linked on modules. You really never need to really go to discussions or assignments, because it's all linked here in modules. It will all be here available. You can see some things haven't opened up yet, right? And these things aren't available either, right? We're working through week by week. So it is kind of at your own pace. It's asynchronous, as they say, but it's also week by week. Okay, so that's about it for now. Again, please, if you have any questions, do email me or make an appointment to come see me during my office hours. Okay, thank you very much.